Freehosting.com is a web hosting provider that stands out by offering a truly free hosting plan. However, like most things in life, there are trade-offs to consider. Pros: truly free plan. The biggest advantage is the availability of a completely free hosting plan. This is excellent for small experimental projects or learning about web hosting. Decent resources, for free. The free plan offers reasonable storage, 10 GB, and bandwidth, unmettered. No credit card required. Starting with the free plan requires zero financial commitment. Custom control panel. Freehosting.com provides a custom control panel similar to the industry standard cPanel, making it easier to get started for those familiar with similar tools. Cons: limited performance and reliability. Users often report slower speeds and less reliable uptime with free plans. Ads on your site. Freehosting.com will place ads on your website. Mandatory subdomain. The free plan doesn't allow for a custom domain. You'll be assigned a subdomain under freehosting.com. No SSL certification on free plan. You won't be able to secure your site with an SSL certificate on the free tier, which may be important for security and SEO. Basic customer support. Expect longer response times and more limited help with technical issues. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.